Holy bejeebus. Chrissy, look, it's snowing. It never snows. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's snow. Snow cold. It's snowing. Woo. It's February. It's fine. February and it finally wanted to snow. Holy cow. But it's not laying on the roads, so that's good. It's only in the grass, not in the roads.
What's wrong if it's in the roads?
Because then it's not fun to drive, but it's just wet out there. Anyway, there's the snow.
As I like it, the snow, because Dad's car is always blending in with the white, and when it like snows a lot, Dad has to dig the car.
I have to have white cars. I'm a white car guy.
And
I don't care what anybody says.
You have to dig the car up every morning.
Yep, but anyway, Wichita snow. It's snowing in Wichita. Snow. Listen to the sound of snow.
That snow didn't make a sound.
Of course, when I wanted to, snow's not going to land on the camera. Come on, land on it. Show the guys. Land on it. Hello? Stupid snow won't land on the camera. Anyway, okay.
It never goes on my